Hey guys, so how you guys doing? This is Alpha Techie brings you a new video on how to install Windows 11 on your system. And before going to install the Windows 11 in your system, we need to know. So before moving forward, I would like to show you guys exactly what comes with the Windows 11 uh, new build. Initially, when you install the Windows 11, you need to have a couple of prerequisites to install it. So I would tell you those one by one. And before that, I would like to tell you the few features of Windows 11. As you can see, I have already keep it on running in my system. You can see the whole look and feel of this particular Windows version has been changed, and this has been more UI and UX friendly as per the user. And there's a start menu which is floating, which is pretty fascinating for me. And the complete look and feel of this version has been changed, which I liked a lot for personally. And as you can see, they are blunt corners, so they got rid of all those sharp corners, square edges, and which is quite pretty good. And the next thing which is new in this Windows 11 is they got rid of those live tiles, so no more you would be able to see those live tiles in the system. Instead of, you can see all your recommended things, like what and all system apps you have installed in your system, or what and all recent activities that you have performed in your system. So you can see it all over here, right? So you have this new feature, right? So once you click on this, you would be able to see all your log off options. Right, so let's move on to the new thing. Let's open the Windows Explorer, and I'll show you what and all things have been changed. So you can see this complete outlook has been changed for it. Like the icons, the folder icons, the Windows things have been changed properly. And this is much soothing for the eyes of a user, which is quite good. And so, without wasting a lot of time, I would like to jump on directly on how to install Windows 11. All right, so let's jump on it. So, first of all, there's a thing that you need to perform. So once you go to the Windows Update, you would be able to see there, like, even after updating your system regularly, you won't be able to get those builds for Windows 11. So how to get all those things? For that, the prerequisite is you need to be a part of Windows Insider program. All right. So you can see over here, I have this Windows Insider program right in front of me. So how to be a part of this particular Windows program, right? So that was a question from a lot of guys, which I have gotten. And it's see guys, it's not difficult to get into it. The thing is, you just need to click on it. You just need to sign in as per your Windows credentials, like what and all what and all credentials that you have used while installing your Windows. So for the same login credentials, you need to just log in with this account, and that's all. Basically, you have three channels for it, like dev channel, which is highly for technical users, like developers and testers, and who deal with these kind of softwares. And the second is beta channel, which is for early adopter, which are like tech birds, like tech savvy people, which wanted to get updated, like for every uh, update on Windows and any technology. So it's for those. And third is release preview channel. Ideally, if you want to preview fixes and certain key features, so you would want to be part of this release preview channel. But I would recommend you, since Windows would recommend you to be part of beta channel, which would increase their chances to adopt the so that user can adopt as much as they can. But I would say let's go for the dev channel, which would be which would let you to install the latest build for Windows 11 on your system quickly, I would say. So let's jump on it. So just select on it after you sign it on. So sign on to this Windows Insider program. They would ask you to choose selection, right? So out of these three, choose any of it, but I would say just go for the dev channel if you want the Windows 11 build really quick. So yeah, so do it and you're all done. All right. So once you're done, you click on the check for update option. So after after half an hour or something like that, regarding the time constraint, I would say. So you would be getting this particular build, right? Let's check what build do I have in my system right now. So let's go to the about section. What build do I have? I have this particular OS build, which is 22,000.51. This is a core release actually. This is not the exact release. This has some ambiguities and impediments as it comes to the proper stable version. Let me tell you guys, this is not a stable version of Windows or Windows 11 for now. This will come to you officially without being part of the insider program. But this is a genuine update, by the way. This is for the early birds, as I've already told you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So once you're done with it, just upload it and just update your system. Check for updates. You would be getting this core release build for Windows 11, and just install it. It will take hardly max 15 to 20 minutes. And once you're done with it, just restart your system. It might ask you to restart your system a couple of times, which is uh, which is fine. Which is so Once you're done with it, you would be able to see a whole new bunch of colors, this desktop wallpapers and everything. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys. If you do like this video, please hit on subscribe channel and like it if you like this video. Thank you so much.